Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, heated mirrors, USB adapter, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.